figuring out your healthcare costs can be confusing, but new tools are making it a little easier. Don Woodford from Priority Health is here with more on how to estimate what you owe. So there's this cost estimator. You know, we have that for so many different things we buy, but not really for healthcare. Why is that?
You're right, Andy, and good morning. Thank you for having me here. You know, historically in our industry, healthcare, we haven't shown costs. We haven't shown the price information, but cost estimator changes all of that for our members. We've provided information over 300 healthcare procedures that are non-emergency, and those are the procedures you schedule beforehand, and it works extremely easy for our members.
I mean, talk about shopping smart here. So how does something like this work? How do you get the information, and how does it go to the user?
It's simple. All our members have to do is to go either through PriorityHealth.com or click on through our mobile app. Once they're in, they click on Cost Estimator. They then identify the procedure they're going to have. We'll provide them information about that procedure, and then they can select the provider or facility they'd like to have the procedure done at.
I mean, this really feels like a no-brainer when it comes to shopping for healthcare. What was the motivation to provide this tool?
Well, it truly is a no-brainer. The motivation is to help people become more engaged in their healthcare. We believe it's important to give them price and quality information so they can be a better healthcare consumer. By being better healthcare consumers, they can help drive better health outcomes, improve their healthcare, and ultimately have a better impact or a greater impact on the long-term cost of healthcare.
And of course, the challenge is making sure all the information is up to date and getting providers to jump on board here.
That's correct.
How are you doing that?
Well, we continue to work on that. We've had a great response so far, but there are a few providers who are still a little bit reluctant about sharing that information. But we continue to provide the information we have, and we're working hard to encourage our members to use this new resource because it'll make them a better, more informed consumer and help them better decide how to allocate those precious healthcare dollar resources they have.
And where is this trend going? I mean, there are cost estimators for everything under the sun, but finally something for healthcare here. Where is this going?
Well, we think this is the beginning, and we've got other visions in mind on how to take this to the next steps, and we'll be announcing more components to this particular element in the very near future.
Excellent. And finally, one last time, where can people check out this cost estimate?
All they need to do is go on PriorityHealth.com or through our mobile app called My Health.
All right. Don Woodford, Priority Health, thank you very much.
Thank you, Andy.